Hello again, it's Pearson Brown. I hope you're keeping well. We use the present simple for regular actions or events. I watch TV most evenings. We use the present simple for facts. For example, the sun rises in the east. We also use the present simple for facts known about the future. For example, the plane leaves at 5 o'clock in the morning. We also use the present simple when we're talking about thoughts and feelings about the time we're speaking. For example, I don't understand. We use the present continuous at the time we're speaking when we're talking about now. We also use the present continuous when we're talking about things which are true at the moment but are not always true. They're temporary. Okay, for example, I'm looking for a new job. And we also use the present continuous when we're talking about present plans for the future, something which is arranged for the future. For example, I'm taking my husband to New York for his birthday. Look at these sentences. I'm thinking about dyeing my hair blonde, but I don't think my wife will be very happy about it. I usually don't drink coffee, but I'm having one this morning because there is nothing else. I often drive to work, but I'm taking the train this morning because my car is in for repair. My parents live in New York, but I'm just visiting. Notice how in all these examples we use the present continuous to talk about events which are temporary or limited in time, and the present simple to talk about events which are habits permanent.